Today I want to teach somebody on how to use a blood pressure monitor, on how you can measure your blood pressure using this device. So there are precautions to follow before taking the measurement of blood pressure so that you can correct the accurate readings. First thing, do not measure your blood pressure instantly after exercising or smoking. This can lead to increase in blood pressure. And when carrying out the measurement of blood pressure, make sure your feet are on the floor and you are sitting still and relax for 5 minutes so that you can carry the proper reading. Accurate readings can be displayed on the machine. And if you are pressed, you want to go probably to the lavatory, the toilet, you need to make sure that you go because it can equally increase the blood pressure. One of the most important factors that I consider when correcting the readings of blood pressure, it is the cuff. You need to make sure that the cuff is fitting properly. This is the cuff I'm talking about of blood pressure machine. So the way it is, when carrying out the blood pressure, you need to lay your hand on the table and let your palm face upward. Then your cuff has to be same level as the heart, here like that. Then you need to use the rule of the finger so that it is correctly installed. You try to insert like this, not trying to insert the whole hand, no. Just like this, then it is well. Make sure that the tube is not also pinched, but it has to be like that, straight. So before clicking the start button, you need to make sure that you have stopped talking. You are not talking, you are not eating, not even smoking, point, as well as doing exercise, no. You don't need to do that 30 minutes prior to taking the measurement of blood pressure, because if it happens to say you are doing such kind of things, the blood pressure can be fluctuating throughout the day. So that's how it is done. This is the blood pressure. Then once everything is set, you have relaxed, you have done everything, then you can place the start button. So on top indicates systolic, down it's diastolic key, as well as down there pulse. That's how it's done. Thank you.